welcome back to the channel. Today we will be learning about all the ways you can use a vellum journal. And that brings me to the first point. What is a vellum journal? So basically it is made of vellum. The pages are a little translucent. So if you look at this page, you can actually see some of my hand from behind. So naturally the techniques you will use here will be a little different from how you do normal journaling. So let's go ahead and find out the tips right now. Okay, so now as we have seen, the pages are translucent, so naturally you will need to plan a lot. And how you will plan is so whatever is there on the back side. Now suppose if this page is on the back side, it is going to be visible from this page. So it's better if you do something which peeps out from here. So for example, on this page you can draw patterns, you can write something, you can draw doodles, so that whatever you do on this page, the page at the back gets reflected from it. Second thing, try to avoid pasting anything opaque on this because you are actually losing on this translucent effect that you could get. Instead, what you can do is if you want to paste something, better paste it here on the back side of the page because it will be visible from here and this translucent effect will be visible there. Third thing, if you are going to use any kind of glue like I have done here, it's better instead of pasting it straight away, just spread it a little. It's even better if you can use a dry glue because that way the paper will not crumple. The vellum paper tends to get together like this. I gave it some time to settle down. Now you can see the page has actually come together because of the glue. So it's better either to use the dry one or to spread it very evenly so that the page doesn't crumple at all. Fourth thing, avoid doing anything on this side of the notebook because it might not look good when you look at it from here. So basically your work points are going to be 1, 2 and all the pages of this side basically, or if you are working the other way, maybe that side. But of course if you can plan efficiently, you can definitely make it work. For example, you might want to paste some kind of windowsill or something there, and you might want to paste a kind of a person or a face here. That would make it work. Now I know for sure that working in a vellum journal is too challenging and too interesting. So naturally you would want to get one for yourself. The link is in the description, is available on my store. Get it right now before the stock ends.